In simple words, how engines work. Thermodynamics in cars is a physics law or idea that teenagers can understand through forces, motion, energy, waves, light, sound, or electricity. Here is the plan. No confusing lecture. We will use pictures, motion, classroom examples, and everyday situations so a teenager can understand what is happening and why it matters. Part 1. The law in simple words. Meaning: work happens when a force moves an object through a distance. Energy is the ability to do work. Power is how fast work is done. Example: lifting a bag does work because your force moves it upward. Running upstairs uses energy faster, so it needs more power. Remember, work, energy, and power explain how motion and effort are transferred. Part 2. A game or sports example. Meaning: in games and sports, this shows up whenever motion, force, energy, light, sound, or pressure changes what happens next. Example: a game character with an energy bar can do work, and a speed boost is like using power faster. Remember, connect the physics idea to one action you can see on screen or on the field. Part 3. A real-life example. Meaning: physics becomes easy when you stop treating it like a formula and start asking what changed, what caused it, and what result you can observe. Example: cycling up a hill needs energy, and sprinting up the hill uses that energy at a higher power rate. Remember, real-life examples make the law easier to remember than memorizing words alone. Part 4. The common mistake. Meaning: the common mistake is using work, energy, and power as the same word. In physics, each one has a different meaning. Example: when a question feels confusing, draw the object, mark the forces or energy changes, and describe the motion in one sentence before using any formula. Remember, clear thinking comes before calculation. Quick recap: this is easier when you split it into small parts. Today we covered the law in simple words, a game or sports example, a real-life example, the common mistake. Use one idea first. Then add the next. That's this explained. If you want more physics that makes sense, subscribe. Tomorrow's topic is going to blow your mind even more. Remember this: one clear idea is better than many confusing details.